If we had Nuremberg-like trials, Joe Biden and his principal lieutenants and Donald Trump and his principal lieutenants would be hanged. There's no question in my mind about this. We're talking about a genocide. We know what happened to all those people who executed a genocide between 1941 and 1945 in Europe. It's really quite remarkable. That hardly a word was said in the liberal establishment in the United States against what Israel was doing, and the United States was helping them to do, committing genocide, the greatest of all crimes. This is truly remarkable, in my opinion. And I used to say to myself, there's something wrong here when a realist like me is one of the few people inside mainstream academia who is standing up and saying, this is terribly wrong and something should be done to stop it.